If you suspect a leak under your home's foundation, your biggest fear is likely the jackhammer. You might think finding the problem means destroying your beautiful floors, but modern technology allows us to see through concrete without breaking a single tile. The days of guess and check are over. Professional plumbers now use non-invasive electronic leak detection. This scientific process pinpoints the exact location of a pipe failure before any digging ever begins, saving you thousands in unnecessary repairs. Our primary tool is the acoustic listening disc. These highly sensitive ground microphones amplify the sound of water escaping the pipe. Even through feet of concrete, a trained technician can hear the distinct frequency of a leak and trace it to its source. We also use pressure isolation to narrow down the search. By shutting off specific valves and pressurizing individual lines with air or water, we can determine exactly which system is leaking, whether it is the hot line, the cold line, or the main service, without cutting into the floor. For hot water leaks, thermal imaging cameras are a game changer. As hot water escapes under the slab, it heats up the surrounding concrete. The camera detects this temperature difference, creating a clear visual map of the problem area, invisible to the naked eye. Finally, we use electromagnetic line tracers to map the path of your plumbing. By sending a signal through the pipes, we can locate exactly where they run and how deep they are, ensuring that when repairs are made, they are surgical and precise. Don't let anyone guess with a jackhammer on your property. If you suspect a slab leak, trust the experts who use the right technology to save your home. Contact Black Mountain Plumbing for precise electronic leak detection. Visit blackmountainplumbing.com today.